we have um, a great proposal, right, in partnership with Visionnaire and Unimed Curitiba to take a leap, let's say, using this term, into the digital world. And the issue of health, it is an issue that brings, we will have a lot, but a lot of advantage and a lot, let's say, ability to progress, right, in terms of healthcare, also in terms of serving the beneficiaries of Unimed. So this platform is for any company a great, it is like a great support for the digital world. It is a great portal, let's say, where you will support this new era of mobility, where people use the cell phone for practically everything, with all the issues, from administrative, bureaucratic, to the matter of healthcare, which is our core business and is what matters to our beneficiary, to our cooperative member, who is the doctor, right? And for eventually any company that wants to see today participate in this digital revolution that is happening in today's world. Unimed Paraná is a federation of Unimeds, so it is interested in bringing an integration of a system, in this case state level. We also have Unimed of Brazil, which handles national integration. And what we noticed was that each one was making small moves toward digital without much consistency. We started assessing what was already in the market, and there was quite a lot. And here we found Unimed Curitiba and Visionnaire in a very interesting partnership where we, let's say the federation, bringing its integrating this partnership, it was looking, in this case, at the entire state of Paraná, all the cooperatives, that is Unimeds of the state of Paraná. And for that we needed to have a base, a platform that was addressed many interests, both of the participants and regarding the potentialities from this platform to the digital world, like applications, wearables, electronic medical records, electronic health record systems, laboratory results, and administrative matters, billing invoices, issues of consultation approval, procedures, and monitoring our beneficiary. And Curitiba and Visionnaire had already started this process. We are joined in later, but joined to strengthen this partnership. And this great platform, it is really something that, as it serves the entire state, serves multiple interests, it can even serve other companies for others outside the state of Paraná, other activities, both in the health sector and not. It is a matter of having a foundation so that we can evolve from a mobility standpoint. These are processes that extend beyond the walls of the administrative headquarters. The processes that will be connected to this digital platform are processes for which we will need to have people capable of understanding this new world well and apply it to these processes that will demand ideally, right, quick response, solutions, quick decisions, customer service in a very sensitive way, right? Yes, a much stronger connection than waiting for a customer to come to the counter. Behind that, we have had for a long time a big data and an information analysis sector here, which are merely administrative today, right? But for more than 10 years, we have had a large big data within the Unimed system. With the clinical issue, Unimed was very careful about it. They called the Ministry of Health itself Data SUS, the Federal Council of Medicine, the Federal Nursing Council, to create an electronic record for health data with complete security. Unimed is not interested, for example, in seeing the test results or clinical data of a patient. It does have an interest in ensuring that the patient always has these tests with them and that the doctors attending to the patient have access to this health data, which today usually stays in the drawer at home, if at all, right? So this availability of health data, the platform and the electronic health record will provide. With all the security, with all the reliability of a system that was made in partnership with the Ministry of Health, which will use the same protocol that Unimed is using to ensure to the citizen that the clinical information there is theirs. On top of all this platform and app issue, the true gem, let us say, the pearl we are producing and want to integrate with all this is the health app. This is the true, let's say, central point, which will be in the hands of our beneficiary, in the hands of the head of the family, of the mother of the family, who will take care of the children, will take care of her own mother or grandmother, and the health care of the citizen and the family. Now, within the Unimed system, where you have the, let's say, the back office of this, with the nurse, the nutritionist, the pharmacist, and the attending doctor connected to the doctor's record, this really becomes a true treasure that we will be able to handle, for example, with lines of care. So, someone who has a diabetic mother or a child with an illness will be able to have all the guidance there, talk to the doctor when there is a greater need, schedule an appointment, right? Or get feedback from the doctor, see all the test results, all the guidance, the alarms when it's time to take the medication, right? The partnership issue with pharmacies, which we are already working on, so we can achieve better costs on this, right? So, the health app is only possible when there is this digital platform, and behind it, we have this entire provider network, right? The information for the next doctor who will see our child, who will see my mother, yours, is fundamental for care. So, this is our true treasure, which I believe we will start testing in a few weeks, and by the end of the year, 2017, we want to start working with it. In the platform, we will be able to integrate all these new developments coming with these startups. We will have great partnerships. We are already starting some partnerships in terms of medication, in terms of laboratory tests, in terms of wearables, where you might eventually be able to know that such a wristband is connected with our health app, and you can buy one to put on your mother. Then you will know if your mother fell, if she slept well. So there's a whole interaction relationship. It's not just an isolated app. No, it will be taking care of everything there, bringing all this information to the doctor, to whoever is monitoring, to the healthcare team, which we understand today is not just an isolated medical consultation. You have to be careful, have a health team working behind the scenes and have data. You need to have a timeline so that each moment is recorded, and this can be, let's say, truly effective in caring for your health. In health matters, it's very important the degree of trust in the people working with us and the issue of continuity of a process like this, especially digital, right? We're there with the issue of launching an app, having versions every 3 or 4 months, having a new version. So I can't just hire a developer to do this. Soon I won't have continuity. So the role of Visionnaire as a partner, and because of its history and knowledge in this area, is fundamental for us. Work together, and with that, we can ensure this continuity and bring this security that we will always have an effective, let's say, development and enhancement of improvements. We know that this type of product needs it,